So on your browser like Safari or Google Chrome, you want to typing in for stripe.com like this, which will open up this page right here, and then click on the sign in button at the top right of the page. After that, you want to click on create an account option around the bottom of the page. Over here, you may enter your own email, your full name, and also create a password. And then select your own country. Then hit the create an account option over here. On this window, you may insert your own business name and also the country of your business. Since I have the YouTube account, I am gonna insert my own YouTube name and hit the continue button. On here, on the business website, I will use my own YouTube link. You may also insert your LinkedIn or your social media project over here. And then you will have to describe your business in a short sentence. Then click on continue button. Stripe then will offer you some of their services and you can choose any of them or just skip it. Or you may also connect your Stripe account to your business platform if it's available by clicking on this button called connect to a platform instead. After that, tap on the continue button and then click on go to sandbox button. And after entering some information, you want to check on your email messages that you used to create an account on Stripe before. Because surely Stripe will send you one email message to verify your account. So click on this verify email button. And then this new tab will appear and you want to hit on complete profile button. Over here is the page where you can activate your Stripe. First, ensure the country for your business location. And on the business type, you want to choose on the one that's suitable for you. I myself will choose unregistered. And sometimes it will be different for another country. And then scroll down to hit the continue button. On this tab, you want to insert your own information. Usually it's different again for each country. And then hit the continue button. Stripe then will ask you about the product or services and you want to answer it according your condition and situation. Then on the description, you may use the one that you input before and hit the continue button. You might then add the public details for your customers such as your business name and statement descriptor. And then scroll down after that. On the customer support, you want to insert your phone number and also the addresses and then click on the continue button. Stripe will require you to add two-step authentication, so you have to choose between these two options or just use the two of it. I myself will choose on Authenticator application by Google, so click on it. There will be a QR code you have to scan with your Authenticator application on your phone. So do the scan right now and hit the continue button. After that, you want to insert the 6-digit code on your Authenticator application on your phone and then click on confirm right here. And to be safe, you want to download your backup code by hitting on this button just in case, or you may copy it to your notes. After that, you want to click on I have saved my backup code. Click on continue button. You might then add the automate text collation on your cells, but for now I am gonna skip it by clicking on the skip for now button. I will also skip on this part too by tapping on no thanks button. You may then review your information before submitting and then scroll all the way down to the bottom and click on agree and submit button at the bottom of the page. And there you go. You just activated the Stripe account in the live account. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.